Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, which of the following crops is not a Kharif crop? A. Rice, B. Maize, C. Wheat, D. Cotton. The correct answer, option C, wheat. Wheat is a Rabbi crop sown in winter and harvested in spring, while Kharif crops like rice and maize are sown during the monsoon season. Next question is, the Champaran Movement of 1917 was led by A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Patel, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Lala Lajpat Rai. The correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. The Champaran Movement was the first major rural uprising led by Gandhi in 1917 to fight against the oppressive policies of the British in Bihar. Next question is, the Nanda Devi is located in which state of India? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Sikkim. The correct answer is option B. Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi is located in the state of Uttarakhand and is the second highest peak in India. Next question is, the discovery of gravitational waves was confirmed by which project? A. LIGO, B. CERN, C. NASA, D. Hubble. The correct answer is option A. LIGO, the Laser Interferometer. Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, made the groundbreaking discovery of gravitational waves in 2015, confirming a key prediction of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Next question is, which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the emergency provisions? A. Part 16, B. Part 17, C. Part 18, D. Part 20. The correct answer is option C, Part 18. Part 18, Articles 352 to 360 of the Indian Constitution deals with the provisions regarding national, state, and financial emergencies. Next question is, the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer is celebrated on which date? A. September 16th, B. June 5th, C. October 2nd, D. March 21st. The correct answer is option A, September 16th. The International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer is celebrated on September 16th, marking the anniversary of the signing of the Montreal Protocol in 1987. Next question is, who wrote The Wasteland? A. William Blake, B. T.S. Eliot, C. James Joyce, D. Virginia Woolf. The correct answer is option B, T.S. Eliot. The Wasteland is a landmark poem in modernist literature, written by T.S. Eliot in 1922. Next question is, who won the second Olympic gold medal for India in individual athletics? A. Milkha Singh, B. Neeraj Chopra, C. P.T. Usha, D. Vijendra Singh. The correct answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra's gold medal at Tokyo 2020 was India's second individual Olympic gold medal, after shooter Abhinav Bindra's 10-meter air rifle glory at Beijing 2008. Next question is, the Booker Prize is awarded annually for the best novel written in which language? A. English, B. French, C. German, D. Spanish. The correct answer is option A, English. The Booker Prize is awarded annually to the best original novel written in English, regardless of the author's nationality. Last question is, the Magna Carta, a foundational document in the history of democracy, was signed in which year? A. 1066, B. 1215, C. 1492, D. 1776. The correct answer is option B, 1215. The Magna Carta was signed in 1215 by King John of England, limiting the powers of the monarch and establishing principles of due process and legal rights. Now it's time for practice question. The term inflation targeting is associated with which institution? A. Reserve Bank of India, B. International Monetary Fund, C. World Bank, D. European Central Bank. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.